In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an axis in Tableau, all within 5 minutes. Welcome to our quick and effective guide on getting your Tableau visualizations just right. Let's dive in and make those axis modifications with clarity and precision, ensuring your data tells the story you intend. First things first, you'll want to launch Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Tableau, getting started by opening the application is the initial step in our process. Having Tableau set up is essential for everything we're about to do next, so make sure your software is up and running. Once you're in your Tableau worksheet, take a moment to identify which axis you need to modify. This is the axis within your current visualization that requires adjustment. Next, you'll need to right-click directly on the axis you've chosen. A context menu will appear, offering you a variety of choices. From this menu, look for and select the option that says Edit Axis. This will open up a dialog box dedicated to axis modifications. Now, let's talk about what you can do in the Edit Axis dialog box. This is where the magic happens. You have several options. One of the primary adjustments you can make is changing the range of your axis. You'll find options such as Automatic, which lets Tableau decide the best fit, or Uniform Axis Range, which maintains consistency across similar charts. If you need specific ranges for different parts of your data, Independent Axis Ranges can be your friend. Also, if you wish to set a range, Fixed allows you to tailor the visualization to your precise needs. Moreover, you can add a title to your axis. Simply type in the text field designated for the title to bring context to your numbers or categories. Adjusting intervals for major and minor tick marks is also possible. This helps in breaking down information into manageable, clear segments. For those looking to get creative or need a different perspective on their data, you can select the reverse option. This flips the direction of your scale, offering a new way to interpret your visuals. Once you're satisfied with the alterations, there's no need to search for an Apply button. To apply your changes and exit, simply close the Edit Axis dialog box. It's as easy as that. Tableau saves your modifications automatically, ensuring everything is updated seamlessly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively edit an axis in Tableau, enhancing your ability to communicate data effectively. Whether you're preparing a report or exploring data trends, mastering these steps will give you the control and flexibility you need. Thanks for tuning in, and happy visualizing.